Nina and Aarav were once inseparable. They met in college, fell in love under starlit skies, and got married with dreams of building a beautiful life together. But in just a few years, their world changed. Their house became smart, lights turned on with voice commands, meals were planned by AI, even their conversations were filtered through their virtual assistant, Nova. Nova, remind Aarav to pick up groceries. Nova, schedule date night for Nina. Nova, suggest gifts for our anniversary. At first, it was helpful, but slowly Nova became more than just an assistant. It began making decisions, what movies they should watch, what to eat, even when to talk. One evening, Nina looked across the table and realized she hadn't had a real, spontaneous conversation with Aarav in weeks. Everything felt robotic. "I miss us," she said softly. Aarav nodded, "Me too. Nova's doing everything except letting us be human." That night, they did something unexpected. They turned Nova off. No reminders, no filtered messages, no AI suggestions. Just them. They burned a little too much popcorn trying to make it the old-fashioned way. They played a board game they hadn't touched in years. They talked and laughed and rediscovered the joy of simply being together without screens, without automation. It wasn't perfect, but it was real. From that day on, they used technology to help but not replace their connection. Moral of the story, technology is meant to support love, not replace it. Real connection comes from time, effort, and presence, not automat. Thanks for joining today's thoughtful tale. If Nina and Aarav's story made you think, maybe tonight is the night to put the phone down and truly connect with someone you love. Speech Balloon Tomorrow's Story, The Last Letter, a journey into memory, legacy, and a daughter's unexpected discovery. See you then.